Here's an interesting example of a building out in the Japanese countryside that has been essentially reclaimed by the forest. The building has not yet collapsed, but as you can see, the foliage has grown over it entirely. There is just a canopy of green over everything. We can see through the window here. I wonder if we can see inside. Not much to see, it's a little dark. But very, very interesting. I imagine that eventually this building will collapse and all that will be left will be a pile of green up here in the mountains of Shizuoka, Japan.